Hi, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the brand new pumpkin spice release, plus 3 cards that you can do really quick and easy with the new ephemera. So stick around. Hi guys, I wanted to share our new fall releases and the cards that I've made so far. We're going to make some new cards today using the ephemera from the new release. So we have a Stamp and Die of the Month release, or the Stamp of the Month release, which is this cute stamp set here. So for this stamp set, you can join the club. When you join the club, make sure you check out with monthly as your frequency. Then you'll see a discount for the stamp or the Stamp and Die. But today I wanted to focus on our brand new Pumpkin Spice Season release, which includes the following. So we have this beautiful Pumpkin Spice Season paper pad. So beautiful. Teresa Russell, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, has put this together, and I just love these colors. And I love pumpkin spice lattes. So who loves pumpkin spice lattes or pumpkin spice anything? They make cupcakes, they make pie, ice cream. So who's a pumpkin spice lover? I want to know in the comments down below. We have the matching ephemera with very, very yummy images. We've got a pumpkin spice donut, we've got the latte, we've got this great mug made out of a pumpkin, lots of leaves and pumpkins in here. We've got sentiments in there. We've got the Pumpkin Spice Season stamp set illustrated by me. And these two pumpkins might look familiar to you. These are in our digital stamp line, so you can also pick that up as a digital image. This here, I have this in as a digital image, but with a different topping for Christmas. So I turned it into a more of a pumpkin spice look for the stamp set here. And then we have a stencil designed by Stacy Tiedemann, and she is on Instagram if you want to give her a follow. She is from our crafting community, and I just love it. So I created some cards using the stencil, the stamp set. Now I want to focus more on the paper and the ephemera today. I do have some bundles available, so you can pick up the paper pad with the ephemera as a little bundle. I do have the whole release as a bundle, and I do have the I Love Coffee bundle, which includes the 3 paper pads. Okay, let's take a closer look at these cards. So I love how this one turned out. I used the stencil in the background, and I used some foil. So that turned out really cool. I paper pieced the sleeves with the paper pad, and Distress inks in the background there. Copic colored the rest of the image. The sentiment comes from the ephemera pack. Used a pink and Maine slimline die. So really love this card. I've made process videos for each of these cards, so you'll see that coming out within the next few days. And then this one's really cute. I did the background for this with Distress inks, and unfortunately I didn't get myself on film doing the stencil work for this. I thought I pressed record, but I didn't. But all I did was use my Distress inks, did the leaves, and then I went over the top of it with vintage photo. And then I sprinkled some white gouache paint. And then I colored up the little images with the Copic markers. I added the little eyes. I think that looks super, super cute. And then I did the grass here. And then I added Distress ink to my grass here, which was cut out with green cardstock. And then this one's just masking. Did a little masking for all the images, and then just colored with Copic markers. Used that lovely sentiment there, and then matted it on the paper from the paper pad. So let's create some cards with the ephemera. I think I want to do 3. So I have my card bases all ready to go. Let's pick out the ephemera pieces that I want to use. So I love this donut. I love this mug. And I love the leaves. It's going to be hard to choose which images to use here. The pumpkins are awesome. Cupcake. We've got some swag. Some more garland. And then we've got the latte cups. Okay, so I think I'm going to come up with my layout and then choose my image. And then the papers is going to be hard to pick. I'm cutting my panel down to 4 and 5 1/4. This is an A2 size card base. I'm going to see if I can use this on 2 cards. So I'm going to cut this in half. Okay, I think I have my layout here. Okay, I'll give you the measurements. So my little circle here measures about 2 3/4. We've got the base of this card is 5 1/4 by 4 inches. So that means this is 4 inches by 1 3/4. So that's going to go there. We've got this one here that measures, so this measures about 3 by 2. And you're just going to butt this one into the corner and then slide this one on over so it touches. And then, so this one's the same width as the strip here, which is the 1 3/4. And it's about 1 1/4 high. So that's just going to go there. On these 2 corners are going to be touching. I'm going to have the circle here in the center of the card. First thing, you're going to want to lay down this piece here. I'm going to lay down this piece next. And this piece, these 2 corners are going to touch. Now you can choose to pop the circle up if you want. I'm just going to keep it simple and just lay it flat down. Just make sure that it's in the center of your card. So kind of, you can use this line as the center. So there's the layout. And then you can just arrange your images around this design. So we're going to have the pumpkin in the background, then we're going to have the pumpkin latte, and then the leaf there, and then I'll have the sentiment flag up here in the corner. Okay, so there's the basic layout. We can add some little gems to this. So I do have some cat scrappiness, little brown gems that is going to be perfect with this. I'm going to pour them into this tray. This tray is from Jackie's Craft Table. She has a little shop where she sells these trays. I'm going to get my gem picker out. Yes, and I'm just going to glue those around. That is going to look really cute. Now to decide where to put the gems. So 3 is a good number. Okay, so there's card number 1. Okay, I want to use these beautiful leaves for the background. I'm going to add my brown panel first. Same layout. Remember, these two corners butt up against each other. And we'll use the line going across as our center. So I was thinking about putting the sentiment here, since this is doesn't have any design on it. So the sentiment, I think, looks nice there. So we're going to have to maneuver everything to this side. So I want the cup up higher than the donut there. And then we'll put the leaf like that. Then we'll add some gems. Okay, that completes card number 2. I think I'm going to use these beautiful pumpkins for the background. Okay, for card number 3. Okay, and that completes card number 3. Okay, so let's recap. We've got card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. Let me know which one is your favorite and if you like this layout. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for shopping, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.